Hello, thanks for joining me for another beer review then. Today we've got another beer from BrewDog and this is their Lost. It's classed as a Pilsner on Untapped, 5.4% ABV. There we go. A lot of their beers look very similar, just slightly different. I don't know if they rebrand the names or change the names or whatever, but whatever this is, there's a whole story behind this beer. I'll leave that down in the comment in the description bit for your perusal. So 440ml can then. This was the third of the 4 beers for May of the BrewDog and Friends box that I brought up to London. So perfect weather for this sort of style of beer. There we go. Leave that somewhere around there. So beer in the glass, definitely Pilsner-esque, very clear, straw yellow. Didn't really pour much of a head, just a little bit of white on the head. Just that's it. Not much else really. So swirl and a sniff. Don't know what hops are in this. Yeah, definitely kind of a nice cereal wheat almost note going on in there. Definitely get that kind of Pilsner zesty kind of malt. Smells refreshing. Let's give it a go. Cheers. Typical Pilsner. Clean, fresh. Not fresh, refreshing. Clean, fresh. Fresh? What's going on in this review? Clean, refreshing, crisp, easy drinking. Hits that kind of first button, if you like, especially when it's really hot and humid like it is today. Or I can't get my words out properly. But yeah, overall, it's not too bad actually. It's an impressive lager for I mean, some are better than others. Certainly more traditional ones in Germany, of course. But this one's quite nice as well. There's a bit of an ingredients list here, if I can find it. So water, barley, malted barley, yeast, hops, bread. So there you go. There's a bit more here for the information, what's going on with this beer. I'm trying to shorten the review a little bit, especially in this environment where I've got my daughter and her cousin running riot in there. So Planet First Lager. So there we go. Lost Lager. Saying Lost Lager, lager like it should be. Don't say anything lager, but it's definitely got more of a Pilsner feel to the beer for sure. Yeah, I mean, in this weather, these things ain't gonna last too long. Great barbecue beer, hot weather, chill out, relax, have a chat with mates and family and stuff, like we used to do. And but yeah, would I buy it again? Yeah, I'd like to try and draft, just to see. And yeah, hopefully not too distant future, I'll get to potentially a BrewDog bar or something, and well, they've got this on somewhere. And give it a try on that. So let me know if I've had this one before. I think this one's a very pleasant beer. Probably the best so far of the 3 beers that I've had. I think the last one is that that milkshake IPA thing in the kind of blue and pink can. So I must admit, I'm not a lover of milkshake IPA, but we'll give it a try and give it a little review. And yeah, anyway, let me know if I've had this one before. BrewDog's Lost Lager, or Lost Pilsner, as Untapped is saying it is. Anyway, thanks for watching then. You take care. Check out my BrewDog playlist down below, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers.